Ever start at your Shopify dashboard like, how do I actually get products on here without shipping anything myself? Yeah, been there. When I started dropshipping, I thought the hard part was picking a niche. Turns out, just figuring out how to add a product the right way was its own mini nightmare. If you're stuck, overwhelmed, or just tired of tutorials that sound like they were written by a robot, this one's for you. Okay, let's walk through how to add a dropshipping product to your Shopify store without losing your mind. Step 1, pick a supplier app. Most people use de-essers, which connects to AliExpress, or Zendrop, or Spocket. Go to your Shopify dashboard, click Apps, then Find Apps. Search and install the one you like. I use de-essers, super beginner friendly. Step 2, connect your store. Once de-essers is installed, link your Shopify store to it. It'll guide you through a couple prompts, super quick. This lets you import products directly. Step 3, find your product. Inside de-essers, browse AliExpress products. Use filters to avoid sketchy sellers, like those with low ratings or no reviews. Quick tip, always order a sample yourself first. I didn't do this once, and the product looked nothing like the pics. Never again. Step 4, import it. Found something you like? Hit Import to Shopify. Then go into Shopify, click Products, and you'll see it there. Edit the title, description, pricing, and photos. Make it sound like you're not a factory, you're building a brand. Step 5, set your pricing and shipping. Factor in cost, shipping, and profit. I usually do 2.5 times the cost as a base. Just make sure you're not pricing it like you're Amazon. You're not competing with Prime, and boom, you've got a live product. You did it. Adding stuff to Shopify doesn't have to be a huge mystery. It just feels that way at first because no one breaks it down casually. If this helped, hit that like button and sub for more tips, mistakes I've made so you don't have to, and dropshipping advice that doesn't sound like a college lecture. You're building something real. Keep going. You got this.